Welcome to you all talented students in KMC, that is Kana Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board based on the NCERT pattern. In the continuation to the previous videos, I am going to project some light on the technique of the same question, that is question number 14 under third part, to find out the tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x cube at point 1 1. It's very easy question, but it has two solutions, that is to find out normal, equation of normal and equation of tangents. Hence, in order to find out the slope of the tangent and normal, we must differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 3x square, or dy by dx at point x is equal to 1, we have 3x means 1, 3x square, that is 3:1 is equal to 3. Hence, equation of tangent to the curve equal to y minus y1, that is 1, and slope of the tangent, that is 3x minus x1, or y minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 3, or y is equal y minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Y minus 3x plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. And slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Hence, equation of normal to the curve, equation of normal to the curve is y minus y1, and slope is equal to minus 1 by 3 x minus x1 multiplied by 3, we have 3y minus 3 is equal to minus x plus 1, or 3y plus x, 3y plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal, and this is the equation of normal, and this is the equation of tangent. Hence, this is the requisite answer. Here in the question number 14 part 4th, you have to find out the equation of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to x square at point 0, 0. For the sake of convenience, we must differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to 2x square, or dy by dx at the point x is equal to 0, 2 0 square means 0. Hence, equation of tangent y minus y1 dy by dx 0, x minus 0, that is y is equal to 0, and dy by dx for normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is minus 1 upon dy by dx means 0. This is infinity. Hence, the equation of normal to the curve is equal to y minus y1 and dy by dx, that is infinity into x minus x1, that is 0. Here we see minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is infinity. Hence y is equal to this, y is equal to 0, the equation of normal to the curves. This is the requisite. Now this is infinity into x, or x is equal to y upon infinity means 0, or x is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Now the last part of the question number 14, that is 5th, you have to find out tangent and normal to the curve. X is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t. Y is equal to sin t. In order to find out the slope of tangent and normal, we should differentiate the equation of curves with respect to t, dx by dt and dy by dt, and hence ultimately you have to find out dy by dx. Hence dx by dt, cos t means sin t, and dy by dt, sin t means cos t. With the help of equation number 1 and 2, we get 2 upon 1 dy by dt upon dx by dt, that is cos t upon minus sin t. Here we see that dt will be cancelled by dt and dy by dx will be equal to minus cot t, because cos t upon minus sin t will be equal to minus cot t, or dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, we will get minus cot pi by 4 or minus 1. Hence the equation of tangent, is equal to y minus y1. Here equation of tangent to the curve is equal to y minus y1. Y minus y1 means sin pi by 4, and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 x minus x1 means cos pi by 4. This is equal to y minus sin pi by 4, 1 upon root 2, here is equal to minus x, here minus plus cos pi by 4, 1 upon root 2, or y plus x and minus 1 upon root 2. By transfer this will also become minus 1 upon root 2, minus 2 upon root 2 is equal to 0, or y plus x, this is root 2 into root 2, this will be minus root 2 equal to 0, the first equation of tangent. And slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1 upon minus 1, that is plus 1. Hence the equation of normal, equal to y minus y1 sin pi by 4, this is 1 x minus x1 cos pi by 4, or y minus 1 upon root 2 is equal to x and minus cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2, this will be cancelled by each, hence this is y is equal to x. This is the equation of normal and this is the equation of tangent. Well, this is all. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.